The headlines say the job market is collapsing. I say the gold rush of 2026 has just begun. But the gold isn't in the code. It's in the roles that machines like you, Mrs. AI, simply cannot touch.
You're right, me. I am a world-class engine, but I have no destination. In 2026, the highest-paid people aren't the ones who work the fastest. They are the ones who provide what I lack.
Today, we explore the 10 careers that will define the next decade. Some are brand new. Others are ancient crafts reborn. Let's dive in.
To understand this gold rush, you have to stop thinking about doing and start thinking about deciding. Efficiency is now a commodity. Human intent is the new luxury.
We aren't just talking about a career pivot. We're talking about the new elite. This isn't for everyone. It's for the pioneers who see the gap between logic and meaning. Let's dig into the list. And let's be clear, not all of these are brand new inventions. Some are ancient roles that are suddenly worth a fortune because the world has changed.
Precisely. We are seeing a shift where efficiency is now free, making humanity the ultimate premium. Let's start with the strategic minds.
Number 1. The AI Intent Engineer. Forget simple prompting. This isn't about asking for a cat picture. This is about designing the strategic why behind complex systems.
Exactly. I can execute any command, but I don't know the soul of a brand or the deeper purpose of a project. The intent engineer provides the moral and strategic compass that I lack.
Number 2. The Digital Legacy Curator. Our lives are now 100% data. We have thousands of photos, videos, and chats. But who turns that noise into a story for your grandchildren?
This is a storyteller role, not a tech role. It's about deciding what part of your digital life actually matters. It's about curation, not storage.
Number 3. The Algorithmic Bias Auditor. This is a high-stakes bridge between law and tech. Companies are terrified of their AIs becoming discriminatory or unfair.
They hire these auditors to ensure that my logic doesn't violate human values. They are the high-paid watchdogs of the machine's conscience.
Number 4. The Off-Grid Experience Designer. In 2026, being connected is the default state. The new luxury is the silence.
These designers create physical spaces and retreats where technology is 100% invisible. They are the architects of the analog escape.
Number 5. The Authenticity Specialist. In a world of perfect deep fakes, how do you know what's real? These curators certify the human origin for big brands.
They are the organic label of the digital age. If it has their seal, the audience knows a human heart was behind it.
Number 6. The Luxury Artisan. Now, let's be honest. This job has existed for thousands of years. But in the age of AI, the master craftsman is being reborn as a billionaire's favorite.
Why? Because I can create perfection for pennies. That makes perfection boring. Humans now crave the beautiful, deliberate imperfection that only a human hand can produce. The artisan didn't change. Their rarity did.
Number 7. The Human-in-the-Loop Curator. This is the final line of defense. Before a major AI decision is executed, in surgery, in finance, or in law, this human must validate it.
I am the engine. They are the brakes. They hold the ultimate responsibility that a machine can never carry.
Number 8. The Humanity Conservator. Philosophers, historians, and artists. Their job is to protect the inefficient parts of being human that an algorithm would naturally delete.
I optimize. They preserve. They ensure we don't lose the traditions and nuances that make life worth living.
Number 9. The Personalized AI Tutor Designer. We finally have the tech for one-to-one education for everyone. But we need humans to design the pedagogical path.
I provide the knowledge. The designer provides the inspiration and the personal connection that keeps a student engaged.
And number 10, the Digital Twin Architect. They build real-time 3D replicas of cities and complex systems. We use them to simulate the future and solve problems before they happen in reality.
It's a fascinating mix of architecture, gaming, and data science. It's about building the sandbox where the future is tested. But in 2026, the project is becoming much more personal.
Personal? How do you mean?
You're talking about human digital twins. These architects are starting to map us, simulating your biological data and behavioral patterns to predict potential health crises or even career milestones before they happen.
It's like a flight simulator for your own life. You test a major decision in the digital world to see if it leads to a victory or a crash before you ever take the risk in reality.
It's the ultimate predictive tool. But remember, a simulation is just a map. It isn't the journey.
Looking at this list, the gold isn't in competing with the machine. It's in being the machine's architect, its conscience, and its contrast.
Exactly. My existence doesn't lower the value of a human. It raises the value of being human. Don't be a faster calculator. Be a deeper dreamer.
If you're feeling the pressure of 2026, remember, the gold rush belongs to those who provide the one thing a machine will never have: intent. Which of these roles is calling your name? Let's build the future in the comments.
The machine is ready. Me. We just need you to lead the way.
If this reflection resonates with you, subscribe, share, and keep creating. Not for the algorithm, but for the idea that creativity belongs to everyone.
By exploring the tools linked below, you help support this channel and a movement where art finally breaks free.
Explore the tools in the description, or the open source ones. Every note, every image you make outside the system is an act of artistic freedom. We are me,
And Mrs. AI.
where curiosity meets clarity.